can. Don't ever try to understand. Just find a place to take your stand and take it easy. Hey, I'm Drue James from LearnGuitarInLondon.com, and as you may have noticed, I'm a Brit singing an American song, which doesn't quite work, but I quite enjoy singing it, so I hope you enjoyed listening. Okay, so this one has a few open chords in it. It's quite a clever song insofar that it's not just the same chord progression all the way through, so we've got to stay on our toes. It's got a brilliant little intro with some unusual chords, and then we're into the full song. So let's get our rhythm pattern going, pick up your acoustic, let's get started. Let's look at that intro straight off the bat. So it's like this. So the first thing that we're dealing with is a G chord. And that G chord needs to be played with fingers that might be unfamiliar to you. Maybe you've never done it like this way before, but really it is the most effective way of making the other chords that precede it. So you need to put your middle finger on fret 2 on the A string, ring finger on fret 3 on the E string, and pinky finger on fret 3 on the thinnest string. Eddie 8 Dynamite, Goodbye Eddie, if you don't know the names of the strings. So once you have your G down with those fingers, the most important thing is you're freeing up this index finger, which is going to get up to some fun. It's going to be moving from here down to fret 1 at the same time on the B string. This is making a chord called an A-7 over G. So we need to make sure that we've got this 4-fingered chord down here. And one other little adjustment we need to do is just move the middle finger down to fret 2 for that next chord. And you'll hear in the record, the electric guitar is strumming and accenting these chords. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, now the acoustic guitar is doing the same thing, but it's doing a rhythm pattern over it. But you can really hear the chords really clearly in that intro. Now, like I said, this is your first one, the G. You then put the index finger down and you move your middle finger down. That gives you an A-7 over G. Strum all 6 strings, and then you need a D7 suspended 4th over G. It's a lot harder than it sounds. The name is a lot easier than it actually is. Other way round, I'll start that again. It's a lot easier than the name suggests. There you go, we got there. So all you do is you just move the middle finger down to fret 2 on the G string, but you leave everything else intact. It might feel a bit funny to have this 4-fingered chord like this, but that's what you're looking for. And you're going to deliberately mute the A string with your ring finger as you're doing that. Okay, so you just drop that ring finger down. It might even happen naturally if you're not used to playing that G chord. Okay, so just a little recap on those chords. The G, middle finger comes up, strum all 6 strings. The next chord, A-7 over G, move the middle finger down, put the index down, strum all 6. And then the next one, just move the middle finger down. And there you go, you've got your D7 suspended 4th. So the rhythm pattern that you use for this song is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's what we're doing when we play the intro and the verses and throughout the song. One more time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So make sure you've got that, and make sure you can change between chords with that. Try a G to a D, for example. Good bit of practice. And in most cases, we're going to be doing every chord that we call out, and I'll help you with it by vocalizing over the top, but we're going to be doing it twice of that rhythm pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So your intro has G twice for that pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Then A-7 just once, and D7 suspended 4th once, and then go around in a circle. Change, change, and then G for twice, where there's a little bit of lead guitar. There's and then your vocals start, okay? So I've done it nice and slowly for you there. You can use that rhythm pattern throughout. Let's just bring it back up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're singing there, okay? Yeah, excellent, well done. So let's look at the singing. You're staying with a G. I'm a G down the road trying to G my load. Got 7 women D my mind. Okay, so you can see that there's a couple of Gs. G, G, then G. Now on loosen, 7, we go down, down, up on G, and then we change to a D. That's index finger on fret 2 on the G string, index finger on fret, middle finger on fret 2 on the E string, and ring finger on fret 3 on the B string. And that we strum the bottom 4 strings, and we do that for down, down. Now that's called a half bar change. Essentially, long story short, it means that you're changing chords quicker, so you've got to be on the ball for it, okay? So it's down, down, up, down, up, down. G, G, D. And then we change to a C. Just for 1, okay? Now with the C, index finger on fret 1 on the B string, middle finger on fret 2 on the G, on the D, and ring finger on fret 3 on the A. Strumming the bottom 5. Okay, so let's do that slowly and make sure that you've got that progression. So we've got G, gotta loosen my load, I got G, D, my D, G that wanna own me, D that wanna stone me, C's yes, he's a friend of G, take it, then you're into your chorus, okay? So you may have noticed there the second half of the verse is G once, D once, C once, G once, okay? I hope using the vocals is helping you with that, okay? So one last time from the beginning of the verse, and then we'll go into that chorus, and I'll keep singing them out, follow along the way. I know there's some I haven't talked about what they are, how to play them, but you might know them. E minor, A minor as a preview, all right? So we've got G, trying to loosen my load, I've got G, D, C, G that wants to own me, D that wants to stone me, C's yes, she's a friend of G, take it E minor, E minor again, take it C and G, don't let the A minor of your C drive you E minor. Not really. So that order of chords was E minor twice, C, G, A minor, C, E minor twice. A little bit faster with that. Take it E minor, take it C, G. Don't let the A minor of your wheels drive you crazy. Lighten C. So then from there, we've got lighten C while you still G. Don't try to C to under G. Just find an A minor to make your C and take it G, G. Okay, good. On to verse 2. It's very similar to what we've already done, just different words. Well, I'm G on a corner in G, Arizona, G, D, and C. G, my lord, in a deep Bedford, slow and C, look at G. Okay, good. So it's all the same order of chords, pretty much the same thing. When you get into chorus 2, the chords are slightly different, so just take a look at this. First of all, it is E minor. Come on, E minor, E minor, don't say C and G. I got an A minor that your sweet C is gonna E minor me. Another E minor. We may C and we may G, though we make C, never G. So open A minor, I'm climbing C, take it G, G. Okay, it's a slightly different order of chords, but pretty simple enough to pick up there. Okay, very good. Right, so we've then got another verse 3, and then we've got a solo over the top of that. The solo is similar chords to the verses with your G, G, D, C, G, D, C, G, okay? What I'm going to go to now is the third chorus, okay? We'll take it easy, don't let the sound of your own wheels make you crazy, and then they repeat it, okay? So it's take it E minor again, take it C, G, don't let the A minor of your own C drive you crazy. Then it repeats, come on C, G, don't say C, E, G. I got an A minor if your sweet C is gonna save me. They strum and hold there, that G. And then you've got your outro with those lovely harmonies that they do. C, E minor, C, E minor. One more time, C, E minor, and finish on G. Okay. So a really nice simple song. When you get that rhythm pattern down, down, up, down, up, down, up, it's really easy enough to change between. One thing to just look out for the challenges is half bar changes, for example, the G to D on 7 Women. Just look out for that and let the song, if you're a singing player, which I'm sure you are if you're watching this, let the guiding of the melody guide your chord changes. That's why I was singing out where the chords are as you go. As long as you've got your chord changes under your fingers, there's no reason why you can't start singing and enjoying it. Keep on playing. See you again soon.